Welcome to lecture time. Today's lesson will teach English vocabulary and grammar with a trending topic. Let us make learning English fun and easy together. Kubra Khan, a famous Pakistani actress, has announced her plans to get married soon. In a recent interview, she shared that her fiancé is from the entertainment industry. She expressed excitement about the upcoming wedding and mentioned it would be a private affair with only close friends and family attending. Kubra thanked her fans for their continuous love and support as she looks forward to this new chapter in her life. Vocabulary section number 1. Announce to tell something publicly. Example, she announced her wedding plans in an interview. Number 2. Plans, ideas, or arrangements for something in the future. Example, they are making plans for their vacation. Number 3. Marry to become someone's spouse in a wedding ceremony. Example, she is going to marry her fiancé next month. Number 4. Fiancé, a man who is engaged to be married. Example, her fiancé is a businessman. Number 5. The entertainment industry, the industry that produces movies, music, etc. Example, he does not work in the entertainment industry. Number 6. Excitement, a feeling of happiness and enthusiasm. Example, she spoke with excitement about her wedding. Number 7. Upcoming, happening soon. Example, they are preparing for the upcoming event. Number 8. Private affair, a personal or secret event. Example, the wedding will be a private affair. Number 9. Attending, being present at an event. Example, only close friends will be attending the wedding. Number 10. Express, to share feelings or thoughts. Example, she expressed her happiness about the wedding. Number 11. Support, help, or encouragement. Example, her fans showed their support by sending messages. Number 12. Chapter, a phase or period in life. Example, marriage is a new chapter in her life. Number 13. Interview, a meeting where someone is asked questions. Example, she gave an interview about her plans. Number 14. Share, to tell or show something to others. Example, she shared details about her fiancé. Number 15. Future, the time that will come. Example, she is excited about her future with her fiancé. Number 16. Close friends. Friends who are very important to you. Example, only her close friends were invited. Number 17. Businessman, a man who works in business. Example, her fiancé is a successful businessman. Number 18. Love, a strong feeling of affection. Example, she spoke about the love between her and her fiancé. Number 19. Continuous, it is happening without stopping. Example, she thanked her fans for their continuous support. Number 20. New chapter, a fresh start or a new beginning in life. Example, marriage is an exciting new chapter for her. Grammar section 1. Future tense with going to. Explanation, used to talk about plans or intentions. Examples from the text. Kubra Khan is going to marry a businessman. She is going to have a private wedding. 2. Adjectives to describe feelings. Explanation, adjectives like excited, happy, and nervous describe emotions. Examples from the text. She expressed her excitement about the wedding. Her fans are happy for her.